In July 2025, at the Ichikawa City Zoological and Botanical Gardens in Japan, a young Japanese macaque named Punch was born into a struggle for survival. During a record-breaking summer heat wave, his mother, a first-time parent, found herself physically unable to care for him. This was not a simple act of cruelty, but a biological failure to bond. To save his life, zookeepers had to intervene. But for a baby macaque, the loss of a mother isn't just about food. It's about the vital physical contact and clinging security that defines their early development. Without a heartbeat to hold on to, Punch was left in a void of profound isolation. To bridge this emotional gap, zookeepers introduced a surrogate, an orange plush orangutan from the IKEA Jungle Skog series. Punch bonded with it instantly. He didn't just play with it, he treated it as his lifeline. Known to millions online as Punch-kun, images of him dragging the oversized toy through the enclosure became a global symbol of vulnerability. Zookeepers watched as he used the plush to sleep, to hide, and to self-soothe, calling it Ora-Mama. It was a temporary solution for a permanent need, but it gave him the strength to keep going. On January 19, 2026, the zoo began the most difficult phase, integrating Punch into Monkey Mountain, a troop of over 60 macaques. The transition has been anything but easy. Since he was hand-raised, Punch initially lacked the complex social etiquette of the troop. Viral videos in February showed him being scolded and even dragged by older females, moments that sparked concern worldwide. However, experts and the zoo have clarified, this is not bullying, but essential social correction. Through these harsh lessons, Punch is learning how to be a monkey. He still carries his toy as a shield, but every day, the time he spends clinging to the plush decreases as his curiosity grows. As of late February 2026, there is hope. Punch has been observed being groomed by adult females and playing with other juveniles, the first true signs of acceptance. While he may still retreat to his plush surrogate when the world becomes too loud, he is no longer alone. Punch's journey is a moving testament to the universal need for love and the incredible resilience of the spirit. He reminds us that even when we start with nothing to hold on to, we can eventually find where we belong.